So I'm currently in Europe, Salzburg to be specific, on a music trip, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along. It has been a very long time since I have posted a video, and it has taken a long few days to get here. I feel like it's only been 2. My flight was 8 hours, I think, and it was really weird, like passing through all the different time zones and stuff, and now I'm having to adjust to like this new time zone. So at home it's currently like 11 a.m. and here it's 5 p.m. so I'm like, I think I'll be able to adjust okay. But anyway, welcome to Europe. So we just finished dinner. How was it?
Dinner was amazing. They had soup as the first course, and then the main course was steak and potatoes. And it was so good.
With horseradish on it.
Yes, and it was so good.
It was very good.
It was very good. And unfortunately, I couldn't finish it all, which I was very sad about. It hurt my heart.
I finished mine as much as I possibly could, but it was really good.
And then they had an apricot cake.
Oh yeah, that was really good.
With like whipped cream. And one thing I really found that was like super nice was that the whipped cream was not sweetened.
It was not sweet. It was like my mom makes
regular.
Yeah, it's just regular.
Like you could taste the freshness of the North Austrian cow in it.
I haven't made a vlog in a really long time.
I could actually technically make a vlog too from all these videos.
But they're mine.
I know, but then I could take the videos and just use the ones that have me in them and then make my own vlog.
No.
Actually, I can have you make it for me and then I won't have to do all the work. Because guys, let me tell you, vlogs take like hours to make.
To edit, yeah.
And then people don't even watch them. Actually, that's not 100% true, but like, they're really hard to make, and then it's just a lot of work. You feel exhausted after you make them. So that's why I don't vlog.
Yeah.
Respect to this one, because,
I put a lot of work into it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway. So we are at this place called the Abbey. Like you can see the whole city of where we are. We were just all the way down there, but oh my gosh, it's amazing. And there's this massive mountain over here. It's really cool. Anyway, we are just walking around. We're here till 11:30, and I don't want to talk much because there's so much to see. But yeah, I'm just kind of exploring and going around. we are currently at this lake where some of the scenes from the Sound of Music was filmed. There's like this whole fence of blocks and stuff with people's initials on it. I am a little bit sick, which is not fun, but it's been good otherwise. So anyway, it's been a good day. But tomorrow we head out to Vienna in the morning. So I'm recording on my phone because my camera's in the bus, but we just went into that right there. Couldn't take many videos or pictures. I'm still sick, but it is beautiful here. I'm just going to buy some seltzer water because I am thirsty and the water here is not very good. So yeah, anyway, we are in Milk right now, and we are going to Vienna to check into our hotel this afternoon, so exciting stuff. We are headed to Prague today. It's about a 4-hour travel day, but we're stopped here in a little town called Telk, and it's got all these really cool different colored buildings, and it dates back to the 1300s, which is really cool. I'll get a better shot so you can see. But we're just here to exchange money, walk around, and stretch our legs for a little bit. So anyway, we are now here in Prague, and we have about 2 hours to explore and have fun, and then we gotta go to check in our hotel, and then we'll go eat dinner. So yeah. is so hard getting back into this type of stuff. Tell me what. I feel so gross. I wasn't even recording.
Did you sleep at home?
I'm so sick. Oh my gosh.
Okay.